Hey, it's Connie Motshaw here. I hope you're as excited as I am about your opportunities and goals for 2018. If I were a betting girl, I would bet that this year you would love to finally implement a more considered and automated strategy to make selling easier and more fun. So you've probably heard about email marketing, which may seem overwhelming or even boring, but I want you to take a moment and think about how many times you have made a purchase because of a series of emails that you received. It really does take less time and money to sell to people who have already expressed an interest in your products or services by joining your email list, for example. And of course, even reminding your existing customers to come back to you and refer their friends and family to you. I hate to see people with awesome offers jumping from one opportunity to the next, getting distracted by the next shiny unicorn and hoping that could be the magic bullet to send a rush of high-value, pleasant customers. It just makes sense to appreciate and stay connected with your own tribe, building a steady, loyal community. This is not a trend. Social media platforms come and go, constantly change their algorithms and increase their advertising costs. However, effective email marketing continues to outperform all social advertising combined. Now granted, there is a learning curve, but if you slow down for just one day, you can scale up for the entire year. Now whether you're an absolute beginner or need a refresh on how to create the content and launch your first email marketing campaign, I would love to meet you and be by your side in a small group who are serious about creating a conduit that makes it easy for new and existing customers to buy from you repeatedly throughout the year. In my email list building workshop for beginners, you'll find all the details in the comments below this video. Now it's only a small workshop, so just back yourself and jump in, and I promise not to leave you overwhelmed or frustrated, no matter how new you are to the tools that we will use. So click the link below or above, and I hope to see you there.